Welcome to Young Kids League A1 YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button down below and turn on the bell icon. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section.
Toroka tinechimemba chanda tukatoroka emisu wajanta mumafi bamwe bali toroka lero tulanda okwebati abanga ndaimo tie ntubweshanye balabonsa abe minepa independent as long as you are PF ngelo mbaba KPF ngelo mbaba kalaba. It is not too late na bena plan munduvile pangani meeting yakosa tete buya bonse ku state house ba makepi Zulu ba plan munduvile ba kalaba ba KPF ba Fred member nga mwalite mwechalo mwalite mwa. It is not too late na mumona na nga mwalolesha kasonde mwenda na lusa 100 pin nga imwebe na mwarusa 100 pin mwaisa pamo. It's not going to make it. It's not a problem. Na mumona Sean Tembo political party yakwe bali repeat 100 pin lelo 100 pin obarupire up to lelo bali lusa 100 pin. So na imwebe ne bonse kuti mwalusa. What we want, not to split ama vote. Is any pamo, muwambele cha pamo. Pakwe bati, turubuli abena Zambia, kuri ubutungurushu wansala. People of Eastern Province have made it very clear. People of Eastern Province, they have made it very clear. Ngachakwa batu mleko kia separate ways. Bala konka ba mwana rungu, na ba mwana maiko sata. Eba bade votela, inena ndefishinka, because in their background, no kula anda to report what people are saying in Eastern Province. Ina na reposta mula nolesha mula ndatio grassroots ina ndefri background na ale mieba shari padi ba UPND na ale mieba before ma adoption na ti ba UPND baka na aluwa ba UPND na dila ndile shala ndile na ale mieba ti ba UPND ama adoption yabo will be poor and they will start fighting and they will cry. How many people have cried? How many people have repost ama coffee under the UPND? Fionanda the people of Eastern Province, they are going to give opposition. In Eastern Province, I can assure you, Eastern Province, from Eastern Province, I'm supposed to go in Wapula. That's why in there, Chitaluchurufia, but Brani Mundibile, na Makebi Zulu, Iteni, Chitaluchurufia, Iteni Mao Sampa, Apa. Let us not think about the past. Apabe 10. Take to catch split ama vote. To left fire, Chitaluchurufia, na maosampa. Kudoko wale pita, wale landeshina, tuwala mipela. Ngani Brani Mundibile, ngani Makebi, ngani KPF. Tuwe mitabo onse. Inafe naba, nishakwata chilandelande. When I speak, I listen to what people have said. Bake BF, bakalaba, bena Brani Mundibile, iseni pamo. Zambia ikuru, tulifanya 2 months. Tulingra tuwaita separate. KBF walayo kwaso. Kalama walayo kwaso. Brani Mundibile walayo kwaso. Makebi Zulu mwala, na ma position mupela ne. Ata tulefu akurubule chalo. Kuri ababantu abaretensala. Kuri ababantu abekata abantu kwa bule milando. So me am advising. This is the final voice. Delando kwebati. Abaku Eastern Province na tupuisha bayo PND nga barefwa bayo pama radio station bayo besule ama radio station ama cause mwala umfwefe barabeba. If you ba brother bandi balandati Mao Sampa is a betrayal, forget about that. Jesus Christ says, for how long are we going to live in sin? What I'm talking about, we are in a final we are in a final. Who do you say is needed? That will fire Mao Sampa, Kuraka Minina, I just split time a vote. Kuraba Chitaluchurufia, Ekobale Minina, I just split time a vote. Tian to be Tebonsama independent. Lokuba Pela, Namlefo stop promise. Balabon Sama independent. Aba Minek Southern Province. Balabon Sama independent. Aba Minek Konse. Let us have a meeting with them. So that Kadiba UPND Badi Bakana. Balaba Abadi UPND Badi Bakana. Ngabaku kana na nguka support yaka inde ichirema. You are not, as long as you go as an independent, already you are a prodigal son. They are not going to recognize you. They are not going to recognize you. The best thing that you can do, as long as you are an independent, can you find when a Brani Mundibile, when a Makebi, bonse mwebera Zambia chentu bebi abantu chentu bebe tubaleke pamo because nga twalanda okweba tie separate ways twalaponya opposition ichibemba chilanda ati pansa katapabula chipuba nangula mwinga mona chiyo mausa mpa chipuba yoda nu chipuba pansa katapabula chipuba lero chipuba pansa kataba chitamfya yo na chele chipuba chali kwata kwapo chingabomba so mweba nelanda ati yo mausa mpa na ene twalishi bali rufyanya na ngo walifyala eshiru ngo walifyala aba ne mwana oberi shiru takwa bakuposa omwana pantu lishiru takwa bakuposa abafyashi besu pantu bakwatamano wabakana pantu bawiso balilamba walanda teba fyashi bandi apa we need to come together tulingati mwitema osampala ngwali pena na ngurishiru tian tulite na dena direshiru yala tuafwa ofwa linga bomba apa tuafika apa kapari ishiru tapari umutuntulu tukesa ishiba amashiru tukesa ishiba abatuntulu ubuteko nga bwachinja inandala ndokweba ati tian tuite bonsa ngo bali pena kibete tuombere chapamo bafumya po ubutunguru chwa kwa kainde chiremo ayafo ndelanda ifyafyo ndelanda abakwetia mano bananda grassroots media apepo tuafika ba Brali Mundubile ngamwalishi wa politics ngamu abela makebizuru ngamwalishi wa politics betele bana KPF bonsa bana karaba bana chiposele insta bana Fred Membe isani pamo amandire pin ya mwa posele udia nani udia president wa UPPZ Chanda udia Charles Chanda aliru 100 pin badi mukanya kumubika paparot paper Sean Tembo badi mukanya political party yakwe badi isanguja ni church aliru 100 pin na nani na Sean Tembo ukubika pona na Charles udia na kasonde mwenda na barusa 300 pin nomba BF bena karaba bena Brali Mundubile nangu mwalusa ma 100 pin impia mkesa kwata lesa kesa mpere ndalama what we want tatulefa kustadi ukoda wala ma vote Eastern Province ndamieba ndefo aba UPN by paretio mumfo bana ba pontela efo bana tatulefa chibuteko cha nsala tatulefa chibuteko cha bufi bale abantu bate bakwatamano na lebeba the whole Eastern Province they are waiting to change the government and I can assure you ile mwadi mwanandi mu Eastern Province ine chendende ngana enda I can assure you UPN dinaipona but tatulefa Brali Mundubile muya separate ways na bena karaba tatulefa muya separate ways na bena KPF mwala tuponya ama vote ya kwa KPF tuabika pamoja kwa Fred Membe kwa Fred Membe tuabika na Brali Mundubile bikosa mitima mulero wana nkobose KPF ulero na kainde echirema bakaraba mulero na kainde echirema ba Fred Membe mulero na kainde echirema Brali Mundubile na makebizulu mulero akainde echirema so ibo bonse mulero akainde echirema lieka iseni bonse pamo takwaba ko mukula mu boxing abantu abali 10 mulero no muntu omo nishomba bumwala afirwa iseni bonse mwikatane ngamwaikatana mupele shanyama position ngamulefu aya musaine ukesa bana hata president mu 2031 another one mu 2036 ngamulefu musaine muleteka 5 years ngamulefu kwa buka teka uli wonza ko mfwe kwa kapurefe kwa mfwika ngamulefu musaine. But what I can assure you, the people of Kodas, they have told the grassroots media, like in Eastern Province, they have made it very clear they are not voting for Hakainde Hichilema. The Hakainde Hichilema will be very shocked. Because Madama will say, my member of parliament, yaba ama bill 7 baria. Tapari afya bachita. Ngamu amuni mutolo, muchipata sentro, tapari afya chita, Hakainde bare bawela. Ngamu afuma paria, muchipata, mulea kuchadiza. Kwa divide the constituents kasenengwa, ila constituents, yaba between Chadiza na Chipata. Ila constituents, ekwa from a deputy speaker, tapari afya chite, chimusocha, tapari, bangala fye. Me, I call upon all of your opposition. Don't be stubborn. Apamu iba stubborn. Yo, inena na lishibashan. Imingalato. Chaeni mingalato pamo. Murubu dabe na Zambia. Bonse. Mukame mbuteko. Ngamu alusa 100 pin. Desaka mipere ndalama. put the interest of the people first. Bena Brani Mundubile, Bena Makebi. Tieni mulibanga ndaimo. Flavina Makebi Zulu, na ale Mbapu Ediashi. Pani Makebi Zulu na Brani Mundubile. Na ale landa every day. Makebi Zulu na Brani Mundubile. Abena Zambia na Banjeba. Brani Mundubile na Makebi Zulu. Bombele rinchapamo. Ezio na ale landa. Ngakwani po muntu. Uwalanda pani Makebi Zulu. Na ale landa. Makebi Zulu. Iwe position yobe. Yakuba. Running mate. Ezio na ale landa. Bamubare be party. Yo, bave president. But narikene. Narilandiro kwebati. Ground yefe ilelanda. Makebi Zulu. You are the running mate. Ezio na ale landa. Ngandebe pa mulanda tindebe pa. Ngashale isapano. When I speak as grassroots, I know what I'm talking about. Bake BF, bakalaba, ba Freddy Membe, muikose mitima. They stay akose mitima ino. Lole shede abena Zambia fo bachula, kunsala. Fio yari dula. Economy yari onaika. Abantu bala bekata every day. Kula batoka kuma prison. Kwa bule Milan. Ndia milomba. Mweba rabanganda imo. Ndia lombo kwebati. Lesa mipale. Iseni pamo. Mubombi as a team. Nangu mwalusa 100 pin. Yole saka mibwesesha. Tia ntureleshe. Pabena Zambia. Abale pita musala. Abena Zambia. Aba kwete ba bruru shabo. Owe kata. Kula batola kumajere. Kwa bulo mlani. Loleshe ni insala. Loleshe ni basipo sevan. Loleshe ni ama miners. Aba kumufumwe. Aba icheba libepa kumufumwe. Ba bruru shabo. Ba chibalerila. Bale ponye filamba. Mwebela luwapula. Mwale ufefe ba mieba. Bale mieba ukwebati. People of Ruapula, as you are a former minister, Alando Kwebati, you have got poverty mind. Bushe, could you have water muntu? Who are them about poverty mind? Everybody land. Balando Kwebati, the people of Ruapula have got poverty mind. They don't know Alanda. Who are Lelanda? Tabamutan Fishe. Tabamutan Fishaka in the Chirema, meaning that you, the people of Ruapula, you know. Who told you, Kulando Kwebati, you have got poverty mind? Bakatolika, Bale Miebo Kwebati, Bale Oba Kwetiamaka, Bale Yumfwa. Umuntu, Aibe Katolika, Archbishop of Rusaka, Bakatolika, Ba Miebo Kwebati, ni Rusfa. Ngabaye Ntumburushi and Rusfa, Nishbonse, Nimoba Rusfa, Pantu, Intumburushi, Tulango Kwakuya. So untongushi ngani Rusfa, nishulusfa, aka milanga kuya kukena, aka milanga kuya kueo. Ba Katolika bale mieba. Bali send Archbishop of Rusaka, Katolika kwa toru pia. Usheba Katolika. Archbishop Banda, ingaiba ya motoka. Ingaiba motoka, ba Katolika kwa soko muleta mbira. Kwa soko muleta mbira, ba Katolika. Kutukwena, kutia Archbishop kwa toru pia. Na Italy alikuwa tenda mapopu alikuwa toru pia bakatolika kutiba mungu ibira che umuntu bale sebanya ichechi bale senda bale koma chechi ya bakatolika kurusaka mwale mona ba police kwa mkwimina pa chechi ya kueleza ba archbishop kuna pepera panse ngamule ibukisha Josefi die ilanga pa butatutu kuna ndo kwebati to never start device by UPND. You cannot fight the Catholic. You can't fight the body of church. The body of Christ. You cannot fight the church. This is what we are telling them. No mbaba UPND na bapoda. Ichirefuaika. Chirefuaika. Baba ndela ndabonse. Tia ntibombere chapamo. Tuikose mitima bakaraba. Tuikose mitima ba KPF. Tuikose mitima ba Freddy Membe. Muikose mitima. Ngamwala kose mitima. Nishimule ya pilo milopa makasa. Pantu bonza nishimule pona. Elanga kwa ba one party state. Waka mikata. Mukakuma jere. Tamu akalalanda. Bali leta cyber crime. Bakwe batumule tino kulanda. Again ba KPF. Muye mweka. Ba Kalaba. Muye mweka. Ba Freddy Membe. Muye mweka. Chabulanda. Elo chansoni. Gachakwebo kweba want to go separate ways. We need to put the interest of our people. We need to put the interest of the Zambian people. We need to put the interest of our people that are living in poverty. Apatu Afrika ni panemberembe. Apatu Afrika ni palina mwansa. Lete mpapa. Uli na munyina shari. Apatu Afrika. Epala mumfo kwando kwebati. Uma na fiala. Ome na limo. Apa. Mulingira mkome UPND na mafoti ya ingi. Uli onse abe campaign manager. Tule chinjo buteko. Tule chinjo buteko. Tule itaba bonse. Abela Sean Tembo. Tieni tubombele chapamo. Na abela Brani Mundubile. Na abela Makebi Zulu. Bonse abela Don't waste your time. Sean Tembo bali chinja political party obe yalisanguka church. These people bamusebanya in which country eko political party yasanguka church. That is register of society. Kabungwe akabuteko akaba in charge. So iwe Sean Tembo, don't waste your time. Kuna lembama leta kwa White House kuli Donald Trump. Don't waste your time. Not to ishibati ya babantu. They are working like dictators. They are working like they want to turn this country in one party state because there is no way. Eko bengalete chipani. Chasanguka church. Akainde ichilema na ba UPND bali ku opposition. Ba PF ngabali chinjisha UPND. Yasanguka church. Basalanda UPND is a church organization and the name of the church is just the devil ministry. Ba UPND kama mfuleshani. Mwayo chero. Mwasanga UPND na ichinja. Na isanguka ni church. Ngabule mfashani. Ngamwalandile shani. Ngamwalila ndio toloto. You Sean Tembo the insta ya kuikala no kwamba okulira kwa America ni insta ya kumona Brani Mundiri alikuisa Makebi Zulu alikuisa na KBF bonsa imwala abala kiva Rubinda tiani kubala KBF tubete tiani kubala Karaba tiani kubala Fred Membe tiani tubete tumombele chapamo bantu no ushari mwakabamo ile isanga bawina ma election aba basakala nyongo ba ma sweet light aba basakala nyongo aba lebe po vyatinga twaisa ba PF pali 17 kwacha bale bapo fiwe bana mule be pusha basakala nishinga ba ibile po pa fiwe bantu balanda tinga baisa fiwe ikachipa aba balanda tiba PF bale bapo 3 kwacha nomba bena ala isi fiwe yali 17 kwacha batilenga twaisa fiwe ikaba 10 kwacha perita nangu 12 kwacha perita efe balelanda lero fiwe yali dula nomba mube pushe basakala nyongo nishinga ndela babale bapo pali fiwe because abena Zambia bali chula bale be poverty ifwenga twaisa takwa kabelo shading ela baisa bale shitisha maraiti kuna Namibia mwali mwene udoa kuna Namibia lishire anakamba branch ujo amela toka kuna Namibia anakamba ise tisangalala maraiti yaliko kuna Namibia. But the Zambian people were living in poverty. Zambian people, this is another opportunity. Don't vote akainde ichilema. Don't vote UPND. Ngama vote la UPND. Mwa vote la akainde ichilema. Nishimwa ishika. Mwikarandeta tuwane landa. Akainde ichilema na UPND. Tabaku ataruse. Fio yari dula. Akainde ichilema talandapo. Ubunga wari dula. Akainde ichilema talandapo. Akainde ichilema. Taku ataruse na UPND. Nomba mwabapela maka. Second time. I want to appreciate you, the people of Western Province. Imamudi Bakari. Ngama inga Western Province. Ela mwala tamba chava. Kasha ba kumawa. Kijawa makamba chibaku. Banzeru. Banachoka kumawa. Aba kwa tamano. Bafuma Western Province. Chiari chinja game. Bari chinja. Noti fepo mlesta. Mwaba kuruwa pula. Keishta kuchensa ino. Mwaba kuruwa Northern Province. Keishta kuseka. Mwaba kumuchinga. Keishta kuseka ino. Ambeni ukwewa wa bruru shenu. Ambeni ukwewa ama nebazi wenu. Ishta kuchinja obuteko na isa. Mwaba ni kopa belt. Mwaba chinja game wa kopa belt ni mwe. Mwikachensa. Mwari mwala bari Black Mountain bari puisho kudi ya. Indra mesha Black Mountain. Katichoko sha. Kutibu wana bula Black Mountain. Ama fi ya mine. Mwala pera investor mu Chinese. Instead yaba iche. Bale pala kopa. Basenda kopa. Mwana ni mwana na Zambia. Ndiye miyabo kweba chimika votela ka inde ichilema. Na UPN. Nga mwa votela ka inde ichilema. Nishimwa bulo mulilo. Mwaibika pa makasa. Nishimwa ishika. Aka inde ichilema. Nobu teko bwakwe. Bale odomuti. Ba odomuti. Ku Egypt. Tabale pera matendati. Abantu abengi. Balala ndatine. Nalashito omuti. Bale pera fyo muntu umo. Batemwa. Ewa amugushito omuti. Kuri outlanders. Singo sourcing. Amugushito omuti ku Egypt. Dila bale to omuti. Abena Zambia bale fa mchipatala. Uri omuti bayafisa. Umukashiwobe munganda na ruwala. Umukashiwobe na ruwala. Waashito omuti kuchipatala. Waashito omuti ku chemistry. Nango waashito omuti ku private. Umukashiwobe aleshikila. Waabula uri omuti wafisa. Umukashiwobe. Waeba babururu bakwe. Na amugushito omuti. Dila wamugushito omuti. Waashito omuti. Waisa wafisa. Abukashiwobe. Afwa. Bakala ndati wali kwa tamano. Ba UPND. Ba ile odomuti. from Egypt basa bafisa amacontainer nishabela Zambia balefwa abantu bafwe bantu muchipata nga tamuli omuti abantu kufwa balesta omuti abantu baleyufwira takwali chipata nomba bantu mwinga bwesha mubuteko abo banga uli achitata ali upa umukashi wakwe aleshikira babruru bakwe bamutuma tikashitele kwa bakashibya n'umuti amukushita omuti diliaisa afisa umukashi wakwe afwa ebuteko mulefu amukabweshe ubuteko bwa UPND must be the last. This is the last government yakwebati abantu bakalile tulefu abantu abakwatoluse abantu abakesarosha pama civil servants abantu abakesarosha pama bashimaini abaiche bashimaini bali amumpanga ngaba abaiche ngaba amumpanga balesu mwana maronda balesu makunshimu balesu makunsoka abaiche ba mumpanga ba discover God ba UPND kutuma abantu abakutanfya abaiche baba tamfya kwatiri bamwisa tulefu obuteko bwalaisa ubukesarosha abaiche ba ku God mine yali ama 2 years baba pera ama contract tulefu atukese counseling tulefu 5 years abaiche kuma God mine balingire kwata 5 years bela Zambia balingire baleria bale upaba kashi bale kwata abana bale kula ichume cha charo must be to the Zambians. Why mwaba ku Western province mwala vote na UPND government yali tumina ba police wisa mkuma abaiche kulya kuba tamfya kwatiri ma foreigners kuna ali kumufumbwe ama God mine bapoka abaiche mulechura bamwe abaiche balifwa kumufumbwe. You want to bring the same government nishocha mulefwa ishi bala miwe profit fertilizer ikachipa fertilizer ya $1 apepo ndela nda aba Christian province balero afyo kuvota nga imwe mwaba kurwa pula ai mule tamba konja ndaba kuma radio station ndapa ground ndemiebo kwebati mwaba kurwa pula mukavote mano mwaba kumuchinga mukavote mano mwambi okweba bakashina abana kuvota mano mwaba Christian province. Thank you so much. Mwaba ku Northern province mwaba ku Lusaka mwaba lya pabona akainde ichilema mwaba kala mu Lusaka mupema na akainde ichilema umwera umawine akainde ichilema mu capital city ali firo kubwesha obunga 50 kwacha akainde ichilema ekala mu Lusaka ali firo kubwesha 50 kwacha eta kwa Tanson alebe pomfyati inenga naisa ubunga 50 kwacha ali firo kulanda pabunga 50 kwacha kwenyu ali firo kulanda parifi wo ala ndia 12 kwacha kwenyu ali firwa alebe poko ali firo kulanda kwebati ali firo kulanda kwenyu parifi fertilizer 250 kwacha kyose fyabufi mulefa mukabwesheka teko wabufi mulefa mukabwesheka teko wabufi. You are a civil servant ba civil servant mulefa mukabwesheka teko wabufi uwa niebelo kwebati nganaisa nkamipela 1,500 across the board. Mulefa mukabweshe Zambian people, we have got another golden chance. Na tukwa dance ishta na imbi iyo lesa tupela mano atupela na maka mweba kashi na bana mwikavotela UPND ba youth beka mibepa kuri bubuteko na tubona baleta manjinga abanjinga ngabaleta mule poka mule ensha lero mwikavotela bubuteko tabakwataluse ba civil servant wherever you are bali fumisheko dead swap mule chula mule la rensala. Don't make a mistake kuvota UPND. You are going to suffer another 5 years. Mukonda mkala pila katulefa mkonde mkafwe mulando wansala. So I'm talking to you as a civil servant. If you know you are a civil servant, uwa kubepele atubunga buka 50 kwacha utule fumi up uyo amibepele ati fertilizer kaba 250 kwacha uyu utule fumi up uyo amibepele ati fertilizer kaba 250 uwa amibepele ati mwaka na ikuta ama eggs yali tula bread yali tula sugar yali tula cooking oil fyonse fyali tula. So ndem chita advice kulando kwebati aba nenu aba Christian province ba muri branch wena bora na ipua Christian province na banabonsa balebe paka inde ichilema yo baka inde ichilema bakesa baka inde ichilema baka win my election fyabufi ama members of parliament balaba UPND bale support UPND tapale afyo bachita ngamula kwati ndebepa ipushe nyabekala kucha diza bipushe nyabekala muchipata bali butuka bela mutoro balya bamukwibina kumpanga bantu chipata bayakanya akwibina kumpanga akayebepa ama villagers ama villagers no mbala basalapuka. You cannot cheat people who are living in the rural areas. Abantu bakuma rural areas bali salapuka. And in fact bena I think basalapuka kuchana ba ku town. Bantu bale bala elimina. Bala makandolo, bala makona ne fyumbu, bala makona myumbu, bala dia lero mwe ba mu town, mwe bale kwa tensalani. Bantu no mbaba abakumushina bachinja. If the people in the rural areas have changed, what about you are living in town? We can kukaromo, we can kuchoma. Oh, you remember what I said? Nala miyabashan. Na remember yokwebati. Iyom election tule yako. Baka inde ichilema and UPND. They are going to produce Ama Independent. Southern Province is about to record for the first time in history to have independent members of parliament in Southern Province. Shalandile. That's why Indela and Abena Brani Mundubile. Abena Makebizuru. Then stay quicker Kurusaka, Kulafara Masuti. Itena Garden Combo. You promise them what you are going to give them. Gabangi am few Abena Garden Combo. Balelanda Padimwe. Pantu Garden Combo, Takatira campaign baka inde chilema. Uda Garden Combo bali puma. Nango walitemwe chipani. Baku puma ichipani. Icha engage by government to amu support again. So inende romba. Kumena Makebizuru. Teista ya kuikara ino. Call these independent members of parliament. Abala iminina beteni na makansa na bameya mwikwate na bena meeting. If it's to help them in a way you can manage and have a document. Mama independent members of parliament. Aba uku mao sampai karapa. Chitaro churufya ikarapa. Pakwe bati ama election ya tuirusa. Muna umfefyo ndelanda. By independent members of parliament, those who are standing on independent, most of them have been rejected by UPND. Some we quite tension. I'm a politics to the ta. Gadi Nkombo ngatama kwa talamba yakwe kuti mwantu mina nara mipera namba kwa Gadi Nkombo. Ngatama kwa talamba yakwa Dr. Charles Rufia nara mipera. Ngatama kwa talamba yakwa Mao Sampa nara mipera. Bonsi aba abena Makebizuru imwe abena Karaba nabena KBF ulibana ba PF imwe. Ngatwa milole shabonse. You are the seeds of Michael Sata. You are the seeds of Edgar Chagorungu. We don't want him. Mukasendama ama nani? Mukasendama ama vote. Mukate separate. Mweba nabakwa Michael Sata. Mweba nabakwa Edgar Rungu. It is not too late. Kwate ni meeting hii abushiku. Amerikari ya yenu kuti mwabo mfya. Bake BF kuti mwabo mfya. Bena Brani Mundiwe kuti mwabo mfya. Bena Makebi kuti mwabo mfya. Bena Kalaba kuti mwabo mfya. Kuya mufield. At the end of the day, what we want. Filatu wa wini na ma election kuchawama. KBF. FDD na ba PF. Mwale na KBF. Mwalifu wele ama t-shirt ya kwa KBF. Mchawama. Tatulefuwa kuipa ya ma political party. Tulefuwa tuka kwa the multi-party democracy. But ya pepo tuafika. Ama minine. Pali Zambia must prosper. Kutiba hii minina. Ama minine. Ba member of parliament. Kumeba fewali sabari ati. You compete. But president tuwala anankwenu yubonse. Nangu na muiminika. Aba kwa Karaba. Na muiminika bashan. Bonse kuba vati mulibana besu. You compete. Pali mwebonse. Aba kwa tama vote ya ingi. Tukesa wapela ba DC. Whether baka fume kuli Kalaba. Whether baka fume kuli KBF. Whether baka fume kubela Brani Mundiwire. Whether baka fume kuli Fred Membe. Lelo kateka. Tia ni no you. Abantu bonse. Na babele mwaimika. They want to see one person. Kustako mpiti na kainde chilema. Those people are standing as independent. Approach them. Call them. Na t-shirt yenu tubale fuala. Lelo, afuala kwa Chitaro Churufia. Afuala ya kwa Brani Mundiwire. Mailo Chero. Afuala ya kwa KBF. Mailo. Afuala dan Batinishi. Tule niko muntu imo. Nelo tule ama election. Tule fwa kurubure chalo. Bane, uku itemwa. Kakwa wama. Mwikarandati yo grassroots media tale landa. Kala nambo kuimba. Kala nambo kwa. Aka indi alipona. Aka indi tete kwanye 20 tete kwanye 25.30%. I can assure you aka indi alipona. But when you go in separate ways, mukafuwa tuka kurilan. Tatule fuaya kuya kurilan. Because I can assure you, aka indi ichilema. He cannot have 50+1. It is not possible, and it will never be possible. Akainde ichilema. Pafwe mbwa, pafwe nsofu. Tete akwate 50+1. So tatulefwaya, tukaye kulilani. Tatukwate insta, yakuya ikulilani. Insta tukwete, yakuza mkupanga cabinet. Umukasangwa Fred Membe, umukasangwa Kalaba, umukasangwa KBF, umukasangwa Brad Mundubile, umukasangwa. Tulafwaya, bantu abakwata mano. Abakwe batinga bayikala nga twapela Fred Membe ministry twaishi batfyala enda nga twapela Kalaba ministry twaishi batfyala enda nga twapela KBF twaishi batfyala enda nga twapela Brad Mundubile twaishi batfyala enda nga twapela Makembi Zulu twalaishi batfyala enda tulafaya abantu abakwata mano tubalete pamo ba control echalo kino damage akainde echilema ichona ona sana. Tefwaika abantu abakwata mano mwikose mitima mwitemwa abo bali kuli Kalaba mwebeli Kalaba fishinka mwebeli Fred Membe fishinka mwebeli Brad Mundubile fishinka. Let us not make a mistake kuitemwa ndialomba kuli mwebose mwebali bakwalesa akainde napona bela mimepata akainde chema na wina election. When I tell you na choice of nalanda fyali samukuchitika because me I'm the grassroots media and I speak on behalf of the Zambian people, especially the voice for the voiceless. Inaja kesa bukulombo rupioko. Yo nempele nurupia. Nyambio kumirumba. I will tell you what is on the ground. People have said in Eastern Province, Bora na ipwa. Akainde na pona. But tulefwaya. Kalaboka sende kwa vote kuria. Iwe kake BF sende kwa vote kuria. Brad Mundubile sende kwa vote kuria. Iwe Fred Membe sende kwa vote kuria. Mwala tuponya. Tatulefwa kupona ifu. Ngamulefwa kupona. Tatulefwa. Uyo munenu uyo Chandaula. Uyo na alemye bashani. Chandaula. Uyo Charles Chandaula president wa UPPZ. UPND project na limebele. Aile kuisa. Aile ku register of society. Awa mkurumba. Yoba register of society. Bale bomba bwino. Na landia chile UPND project. People have complained, but PF they were complaining about register of society. Eko chile chimudala chile. Chia mkutasha. Afu makuria. Ewo bachile knockout. First day. Bamu knocked out. You are not going to stand. After bamu knockinga kuria. Again abuela. Me I'm going to support yaka inde chile. How do you allow people like Bena Nevas Mumba? How do you allow Abena Charles Chandabaria? Bena Valeria. Echo Valeria for my favor. Echo Valeria for Rupia. But look at the poor people of this country. Wamuntua Quatamano. Kutuamusa Potobu Teko Warundobunga. From 120. Kuyafika kunan. Kuyafika kusilanded kwacha. Muno Muchamali Baba Mkamfirwa. There we have got widows in this chalo. Muchalo Muno. Mwari Baba na Banshua. They were failing to buy unga mu PF per 120. The lobunga were more than 300 kwacha. We are killing our own people. Never Mumba, Father Frankie Buaria, Charles Chandaula. They want to support UPND. A government that is oppressing our people. A government that has brought anger in the country. You want to support them. Zambian people, they came to Poriaba. Tumalangama politics. Kulando kwebati. You cannot follow Banevas Mumba. You cannot follow Father Frankie Buaria. You cannot support Abena Chandabara. Chobale for any favor. Now I know in a panel. Nana for a favor. Nana Rambola Tibaka in the body bomber. Because when you are supporting a political party that has brought poverty to our country, you want to support a candidate so that I can have favor. Panto Bakashibandina Bana, Badingre Baria, Panto Bakashibandina Bana, Badingre Torpia. That nonsense must be stopped. We need to be people like Bena Kaunda. We need to be people like Bena. We need to be people like Bena Nkumbula, Bena Kapwepwe. People who stood with the people. But these people that were, these criminals we have, they want to stand with a government which is corrupt. Nkwesa mwana ubuteko uwinga tumendelama by mistake, kutumendelama ku China by mistake. When our people are living in poverty, when the civil servants are paid peanuts, our people are living in poverty. And we as grassroots media, I can assure you, if we can have politicians like Nevas Mumba, this country will never go anywhere. If we can have politicians like Charles Chandaula, this country, Zambian people, you need politicians who can stand with you in pain, who can stand with you when things are hard, Zambian people are living in poverty. Somebody goes there and says, God, they want favor from Hakainde Hichilema. This is a golden opportunity. This is a golden opportunity for you, a civil servant. This is your golden opportunity as a poor farmer in the village. This is your golden opportunity. You mess up, don't say that yo, Abena grassroots, Tabale Landa. Grassroots media, me, I speak the truth. Nothing but the truth. And the Bible says, only the truth shall set you free. Let us come together and stand with our people. Who are the poor? The majority, Zambian people of Southern Province. Look, you are the people of Southern Province. When we say we are kicking out UPND, we are kicking out the leadership of Hakainde. There was a disturbance of internet wherever I am. So, brothers and sisters, you have got another opportunity. This opportunity will never come if you miss it. It is your duty that we come together and speak one language of winning an election. Failure to do that, we can under that wale landa. Pantuna ushari mwakesa mkubamu. Insala, taya kwata province. Insala, so wherever you are, Insala, taya kwata province. So wherever you are, you become a campaign manager. Ngolipa market, become a campaign manager. If you are working in any office, be a campaign manager. You are a truck driver, be a campaign manager wherever you are. I call upon the leadership of KBF, the leadership of Kaba, the leadership of Fred Membe, the leadership of Prani Mundubile to have a private meeting. Ya kwebati mwikapona. Because Hakainde Hichilema 50% plus 1 tarikwanisha. So that tulefua kuya kulilan to waste taxpayers' money. We are not going to allow that. We want kuina Hakainde Hichilema first round. Nishipola itashani yapwa. Icha atamfi Hakainde Hichilema ni insala. Ubunga wali dola, fio yali dola, ama right yali dola, ama taxes, ama not tax yali dola. Muchipatata mwaba muti. Fio yali dola. The greatest enemy of the UPND is poverty. And that's why I'm calling upon you, the leaders. Iseni pamo. Campaign to ambire pasatade. Everybody is the campaign. So today, you can have a private meeting. No kula ndo kwebati. Na tuishibati wa KBF mwalikuwa tamano. Wakaraba mwalikuwa tamano. Fred Membe walikuwa tamano. Prani Mundubile mwalikuwa tamano. Leru ubushikutabo cha bwangu. Kwate ni mitima isha kwelelana. Kwate ni mitima isha kutemwa bena Zambia. Kwate ni mitima. Efyo bakaunda na bakapwepo na bankumbula. Vaishire bombela chapamo. Kwate ni mitima. Echo bena FTJ. Bena Michael Sata. Bena Levi Mwanawasa. Vaishire bombela chapamo. Mfumi hapo kaunda. In very few months. Ndero omba kudi mbonse. Kwate ni mitima isha kwelelana. Kwate ni mitima isha misula. Kwate ni mitima isha kwato rusula bena Zambia. Because bena Zambia eba kachula imoba opposition nga mwapona. Bakaraba nga mwapona aba kachula bena Zambia. Ba KBF nga mwapona aba kachula bena Zambia. Ba Fred Membe nga mwapona aba kachula bena Zambia. Ba Prani Mundubile nga mwapona aba kachula bena Zambia. Itaneni mubombele chapamo. Mwaka ni ama province. Fred Membe wala na timu yobe Western Province. Prani Mundubile na timu yobe walayo kwaso. Makebi Zuru na timu yobe walayo kwaso. Iwe KBF na timu yobe walayo kwaso. Pakwe batinga mwayakana. Muya wako mwayakana. The last point yama campaign must be Lusaka. Muringile mwaya byare mishila kuma province konse. Pakwe bati muri akuma radio kuya kuma structure no kurande omuntu otulana nkwenuyu ifwe bonse na tuichefya because abela Zambia they have called you to work together and to set this country free from poverty, free from persecutions, free from high cost of living. This can only be achieved when we come together. Not ngamwa join abanenu. Tachapilo kwatamwa kwatamano. Tatulefo utasplit ya mavoti. Bonse mwari kwatamano. Ba KBF bakalaba Brand Mundubile. Bonse wala Fred Membe mwari kwatamano. Iseni pamo. Mupusi ya bena Zambia. Kuri ubutunguru chibwansala. Grassroots media. Tuwa parwendo. We take 3 steps ahead every day. Wherever you are watching, I'm Joseph Chimba, the president of the grassroots media. Fionzefio nanda. Tresa mguchitika. Mwa bale tu mama phone grassroots media. Eba Brand Mundubile na Makebi Zulu. Bese babombele chapamo. I did what you told me. Brand Mundubile na Makebi Zulu. Bale bombela chapamo. I call upon the leadership of Brand Mundubile, Makebi Zulu, KBF, Karaba, Fred Membe. It is not too late to come together. Namu mwene mingalato, barechita. Number one timonga ba winner. There will be no opposition if you allow these people to continue even after 2026. Namu mwene vishon tembo ba muchita. Chipani chakwe. Icha iminine mu 2021. Bari tsangu shadi chechi. Number, what kind of human beings are these? President, who have become mortuary for more than 11 months. Are you sure these people, they care? If they are able to put the former president who will become mortuary for 11 months, what about you, Bakaraba? What about you, Fred Membe? What about you, KBF? What about you, Brand Mundubile? This time, their true colors. You know their true colors. You go separate, you lose. And you are going to cry. Me, I'm telling you, can you come together and work as a team? Ngamulefwa chino chalo. Chisangu kecha Uganda. Allow them. Na mama civil servant ngata makavote bwino. Aye na masadi mrefola. Some of you bare mibepa. Yo ifenga twaisa. Tukamista promote. Mweba chita act. You have been acting for many years. When we become as president, we are going to make sure that we are acting with deputy, acting school manager or head teacher or head master. Some of you have continued to act under the leadership of Akainde Chile. Ba PF ngataba pangire spatala, ngataba pangira maskuru, ngaba ingisha mwisa abantu nchito. Aba ingisha nchito ba PF pantu bali pangira maskuru, ba pangale spatala. That's why mwaringirazi as ba teacher. That's why mwaringirazi doctors as nurses. Muna ndo kweba ati ama infrastructure ba PF bali pangire. Fisha Akainde Chile mapangire. Zambian people, this is a golden opportunity. August 13th. Go and vote in numbers. Mwikalandati shaka vote. Pantu Akainde alibepele obufi. Nishimkona ula vote yenu. Go and vote. Vote out UPND. Shitana ipua. We need to transform this country to a better nation. We want to see more infrastructure. We want to see those poor youths that reform a database. A database is a root of corruption. So don't allow database at the youth. Those hidden, yo could either secret recruitment. If you can have a secret recruitment, how are you going to get employed? You the poor people of Sinjembela. If they can have a secret recruitment, you the poor people of Chilubi, you the poor people of Petauke, you the poor people of Kabwe, Makururu, how are you going to get employment? If they can recruit people secretly at night, na mulala, bale exchange to secretly. Impendwe ikuru, you the poor people, mwebe kala kwana buwada kumpika, mwebe kala kwana kuchinsari, mwebe kala kuruwingu, mwebe adabanchush, mwebe kala kaputa. If they can employ themselves at night, if you allow this government beyond 2026, this year so KBF, if they go separate ways, Sean Tembo, kabia kuri KBF, uyo muite. Sean Tembo, Kabia kuri Fred Membe, you abadi kupoke chipani. You are now a pastor in a ministry called Chase the Devil Ministry. They have turned your political party to be a Chase Devil Ministry. To go and preach about you. What kind of a country is this? Chalo ishi pani chama chandale. Chasanguka chechi. Zambian people, we have got another opportunity. God loves us. God has given you eyes. God has given you ears to listen and to see. This year is your golden opportunity. There is no any province where fuel is cheaper. Where is no province where unga is 50 kwacha. There is no any province where you are going to find fertilizer 250 kwacha. All of you have suffered. Come together as one voice to chase this government of liars, this failed project. Grassroots media. Tuama Parwendo. We take 3 steps ahead every day. Barini Mwansa. People are paying 30,000 per child to be employed. Mleumfa. Pakutima kuingisha nchito. Barini Mwansa balando kwebati. Before taula ingile nchito. Uringile wakwata 30,000. Efe balande pa grassroots media. Barini Mwansa. You have to find the money to go and wash. You are a poor child who is living in Kafiwe. You are a poor child who is living in Mazabuka. For you to be employed in government, you need to have a 30 pin. When are we going to change as a nation? Zambian people, say no to corruption government. Zambian people, say no to a poverty nation, a poverty government. It is your golden opportunity. We have remained with only 2 months. June, July, August, 13, Nishkabwa. Be a campaign manager wherever you are. You be a campaign manager. If you want to see light at the end of the tunnel, be a campaign manager. And then you campaign wherever you are for change, for better. In Isoka, if you are in Akonde, you are in Mpurungumbara, wherever you are, this is the time to come together. In Mwangu, Sesheke, Karabo, this is the time all of us will come together and change the government. Failure to do that. In Sala, Teakwata Mutundu. In Sala, Teakwata province. Takwa wako supermarket, yako fiachi pefia kuria. In your province, there is nowhere where you are going to find cheaper fuel than because you voted in numbers. Let us bring in good people. Let us bring in abantu abakwatamano, abakwatoruse, na abantu abadechura. Zambia is too poor. Tulefu ama subsidies. Pakwa bati wa taxi driver, mule kwata ko fuel ya chipa. Ba minibus driver, mule kwata ko fuel ya chipa. Pakwa bati, mule kwata ko. Abantu nga bale kwera mabasi ya benki. You are going to have more money than mule transport ya dula. Abantu balenda punch when you are in Lusaka. Aba ichenga bakomboka kunchito. Benda punch. So I call upon you bakaponya. Bana market kutisokone. Bana market pakala mangusu pachoma. Can you come together and vote out this government? Because abale chura. Bana bem. Ababa politician bali kwa tenda lama. Benda mundeke. Few basende ya free. But it's you, the poor people, who are suffering, who are feeling the pain. Ama ex ya reali chipire. Ama eki MPF mwaista shinga. Lelo tire ama ex ya dula. If you make a mistake, I'm repeating, you make a mistake, you vote aka inde chile. Elo mamukesa mona. Efile bae belaba kumushati. Ukasunketile nukwa buloku fuana. Bane, ukwa riso kitakwa file bantu. Fianze vyo nalanda. Fia risamu kuchitika. Bayu PND na reba soka. That bayu PND they'll be divided. Ukabaka fuafua. I can assure you. Balabo nisa obashile. Awa tabasila adopt. Awa lepa independent. Na, like mwalimu na fia chitika muramu. Fia chitika kurusaka. Uria. Uwa yu PND uria. Uwa fumina MPF. Samwa mbila uria. Ali PF. Tualenda na nkola barungu. Ali butuike kudi barungu. Join na UPND. Because ba PF bari muiminike mu 2021. Ba yeti karungu bari ba former president. Tualina nkwe. After some time aba butuka. Amu join na UPND. Ale butukila munari. lelo arwa kumunali bali mukana basenda Sparo wale batuka wale that UPND chibuteko chansala basenda difficult uli abamusha mailo ali pangalari bali toba mabu abutuka bali butoba mabwe. You see, a principle determines your future. Na ina wile pano ngana litemano olupia ngana litemano emyotoka ba UPN ngana liba joiner ngabali mpera position ikuru because me have gone everywhere. But you are someone bilaudia akwata about zingati bantu ama followers bako na alikuwa taine 7.6 million I'm following in the end of 28 days. Na alikuwa more than 11.30 million. But dula siamwa mbiraudia na Father Frankie Bwalia ba kwata shinga badi aba supporter badi ba player na position badine they are kwata following within the country and outside the country. There are millions of people that are following me within the country and outside the country. But I have stood with the Zambian people, with the pen of the Zambian people, because once take to me bakandire bamushana bwali. Because I need to drive a very expensive car, I need to have money. Then I stop talking about the poor people, the hardships of the people. That is not leadership. Bali mutoba mabwaulia ali butuka mu UPND baka no kumuchita adopt amukwimira as independent muramunani mumunali bali toba mabwabutuka pa stage aba mutore banani ni ba UPND balabe na ile join uli alilila meya ule wana imya kundola ala ponye filamba wa UPND alilila kunosi western bale kwali amakofi Southern province Gari Nkombo alisanguka J3 Alepo bamutobe nkopo na yeda swepa kwani swempa na lebye bashani chale landa na lebe ba Gari Nkombo I told Gari Nkombo why are you coward abantu bamwebele kwebati Gari Nkombo is better than Bakainde Echilem aina ku police na lemwe ba Gari Nkombo iwe be strong Bagari Nkombo me I'm loyal to UPND kwempa kofi bali mutobe kofi Gari Nkombo isha tukule puka kuta mutobe kofi pa trousers yale puka na hapa kuingira pato na yena mbo kuposa ama kwempa uwalela ndati I'm loyal to UPND na lemwe Bagari Nkombo na lebe ba UPND na lebe ba troushari mwakabamu na alitumina phone kuli mukamu kwa kubati mukuka iwe tabaka kuchiti adopt ba UPND kubati ale ya paredio soti sana tabaka kuchiti adopt problem wala wapangire mukuka walande pali switch light tabaka kuchiti adopt anje wala tio grassroots media iwe walimpata mukuka bali mukana na ile kuchirubi kwa former DC kulya obetati chirungu mwila na mweberati tabaka kuchita adopt bali mukano kumuchita adopt ali butukira kuri ba Fred member pa last minute amukwimine pali socialist party kuchirubi because me am the grassroots na ingire muchirubi na ali miebati member of parliament Mlenga Fube alaba bala muchita adopt again kuchirubi bali muchita adopt na ile kucha Diza East na riala ndo kwebati Dr. Charles Banda every background kuno kucha Diza East na leba ba FDD ba political party bonse ngamulaimika umbyare pona Charles Banda ali panani alaimina pali Brian Mundubire kucha Diza East dotereni bonse abona eba when I just ndela ndapata na Fred Membe na bena Kanaba na KBF na bela Brian Mundubire tenjite akuya separate wezu kuitemwa mwapona akainda na pona tatuefwa kuya kulilana lilani kwa liba 50+1 I can assure you pafwe mbua pafwe nsofu akainde tete kwa 50+1 amo tete kwa nishe ubu abalefwa kushito ubunga 50 kwacha tabalefota akainde echire abalefwa kushita fuel ya 12 kwacha tabalefota akainde echireba abalefwa fertilizer ama farmers ya 250 tabalefota akainde echireba Get ya kwate 50+1. But civil servant, bali amepere, ngana isa, 1,500 across the board. Akaindia ichema tawale mvota. As long as you are a civil servant, akaindia ichema kubepere. Why should you vote UPND? Ni shulafu isala. Ulafu abana baka kokote. Ulafu abana baka kudemula ndi wansala. I can assure you, wherever you are watching, I'm the grassroots. I take 3 steps ahead every day. Ngana landa kibola ya lipwa. Na ina wina ngana rishi bati akaingia le wina. Ngana rejoina. Mwila umfila tayari. Mula ndi wansala. Ka tayari kale support akaindia ichilema. Mula ndi wansala. That's what kale support akaindia ichilema. Kadi pange mila nduka abutuka. Ina mula mona. Na aliko Mozambique. Ndaya kuwela. Na alia ku Tanzania. Na ana abuela. Ndaya. Kati mbutuke. Because chinuwe charo. Chinafuwaika abantu. Ama kula ndia kama civil servant. Tayari ya chale support la kaindia ichilema. Arefu ati akaindia ichilema nga wina. Akabuele. Nishabela Zambia bale chula. Nishabela Zambia bale raensa. We are not going to allow that. Ngolefu tayari. Ukafiri kwa kuine. We are going to fight for the Zambian people. Tulefu na Zambia bale ikuta. Tulefu abantu abakwata mano. Tumwasenda tayari musela kwa kaba. Amdo kulanda tio. Tuvote na UPND. Ndemi ya mwebela Zambia. Tayari mwilamu mfuila. Uyu siya wanu. Chile chikopo chisi ya wanu. Mwilachu mfuila. Nichika buwana ala chilia. Mwilachu mfuila. Bala chipele olu pia chilia. Pa uchilande. Ilata bampere ndalama. I just come to speak. Abela siya wanu. For them to talk. They need to be paid. Alebe pasi ya wanu kulando kwebati. Yo. Alebe pomfi. Yo. Brani mundubile. Takabeba ballot paper. Takabeba ballot paper. Chacha kwa wishiro. Chacha kwa wishi. Siya wanu. Brani mundubile yo. Na makebizu. Elo beka pange mingalato. Iya kwebati. Ngaba mungu printama ballot paper. Beka bika po. Brani mundubile paria. Nangu beka bika po KPF. Nangu beka bika po. Makebizuru. Nangu beka bika po. Fredimem. Tulaba leta. We are not going to allow. Tulefu akainde ichilema na UPND. Apone. Akainde ichilema is not going anywhere. Elo waba supporter. Nibali waba chula. Mweba na manchushi. Mweba na supporter obu tunguru shubu ansala. Sama mweba la pamasaka. You are the people that are supporting a failed government. I've been telling you. Ngachai cha kweba ti akainde ichilema. Aliku opposition. Kutia la ubunga. 300 kwacha. Kutia la ufiwo. Yari fikira 34 kwacha to 35 kwacha. Akainde ichilema alelila. Mweba na manchushi. Mweba na pamasaka. Mweba na supporter obu tieko fiwo yari tula. Ubunga bwari tula. Mweba na manchushi. Mwana wanchushi ndiye kweba ti. Ulefwana nguta ulefwaya. Tulechinja obutekwa akainde napona. Tulamuli natumwikata. Natumubika ba ngalameba tunatumubika muchikona. Natumubika balefwaya ine nakachinda kuba kujere cho balefwaya. Badilesa amfishako. Ndeme wakweba ti akainde chama napona. Mwabale ba police. Do your job. Do your job. Mwilale kama kada ya UPND. Balerua. Balerua na mwika mletamba. You are a police officer. Ama kada ya UPND ku Southern Province. Yale posa mabwe. Mletamba. We are not going to allow that. You are a police officer to maintain law and order. And if you are a police, wherever you are, you tell your fellow police, we are changing the government. If you are a judge, wherever you are, you tell your fellow judges, we are changing the government. If you are a member of parliament, former member of parliament, you are supporting UPND, we are changing the government. If you are the marketeer, you are a minibus driver, you are a driver, we are changing the government. Whether pafemboa, bakaya lala kunganga, bakaya lala pamenshi, bakaya lala pama mountain, bakaya kudiba shiba pepo, baba pepelele. I can assure you, we are changing the government. We don't want a government that can oppress the people. We don't want a government of poverty. We are not going to allow a government where the failures, Bena Nevas Mumba, Bena Tayari, Bena Frankie Buaria, Bena Charles Chanda, supporting Akainde Ichilema in the name of favorism. We want people who can support a leader, who is working to support Akainde Ichilema Munga Bali Dula, Fio Yari Dula, Amalaiti Yari Dula. Zambian people, wake up. mwambye okube bati grassroots media ndeba leta kairi echo barefwa ni bantu ndeke okulanda yo grassroots media talingira kasangweko time ya election afyo bale njika ta bajiresa waluse pale ama days asha ndeba leta the real change is coming mayo ambenu kwe baba na benu kumushi tata ambenu kwe baba na benu mama munani muma town mweba kafane nsarani mwe ubuteko wagwa kainde echilema tabamukwatire oluse akainde he was able to export electricity arrest shama right.
Oh my goodness.